Hello guys, I am in a winter sports store, as you can see, and I'm here because this season, the winter season, I want to try all types of new sports. But I need to figure out what sports can I do on winter. And maybe I can start by checking the different sports and the equipment I should and I must use for each one. Let's go inside the cabin and see what sports can I try. Okay, let's go with the first one. Button in on. Oh, okay. What is it? Ice skating. Oh, ice skating. And what is a must if I want to try ice skating? Oh, okay. Um, with this is a must. And by must, I mean the super important things that I need to wear doing that sport. So these are skates. Skates. Must I wear skates doing ice skating? Yes, I must. Yes, I must. So the skates are good. What else? Huh? A swimsuit? Must I wear a swimsuit if I want to ice skate? I mustn't. No, that is ridiculous. Can you imagine? No, the swimsuit for the beach. Let's see more winter sports. Oh wow, bobsledding. This is cool. I'd like to try. But what is a must for this sport to wear? Oh, skis? Must I wear skis if I want to do the bobsledding? No. I mustn't. I couldn't wear them inside. This is a mustn't. Goodbye. Give me something else. More equipment. A bobsled and a helmet. A bobsled and a helmet. Must I wear a helmet if I want to do the bobsledding? And must I have a bobsled? Of course. Yes, I must. I must have a helmet. And I must have a bobsled. Great. Let's see one more sport. What is it? Snowboarding. I've done it. I've done it before. So what is the equipment? What is a must if I want to do some snowboarding? Oh, okay, a board. Must I have a board if I want to do snowboarding? Yes, I must. Of course. And what else? Goggles. Okay. These are snow goggles. Must I wear them? Yes, I must. Yeah, because if it snows too much or it's stormy, yeah. Do I have any other sport? These sports are very fun though. Oh, the last one. What is it? It's hockey? Oh, curling. Okay, a new game. Curling. And what must I wear or have if I want to try this sport? A sled? Must I use a sled if I want to curl? No, I don't think so. I mustn't. That's impossible. Goodbye. And let's see something else. Must I use a curling stone and a curling broom? Yes, I must. It's similar with the hockey, right? Yes, I need them if I want to try that sport. How many options? What would you like to try first? Ice skating, bobsledding, snowboarding, or curling? Which one would be your first option? I don't know.
Do you want to keep learning with us? Download our worksheets and keep practicing. We have a full method to learn all type of structures in English. Check the description below for more content.